got this Yard Machines by MTD, 12.5 horsepower, 38-inch cut, shift on the go for 20 bucks from a neighbor. And he says it ran, but then the engine locked up. 3 years ago he was using it, and then the engine locked up. So my guess is oil looks good. Probably got wet, and my guess is the flywheel is probably the coil, where the coil comes to the flywheel, probably rusted shut, rusted together. Let's see what the air cleaner looks like. A little bit of mouse stuff down in there. We'll take the air cleaner out. I would guess that under the frame is mouse nests. Now this air cleaner has a long if you look at the other side over here, it's filled in underneath there. Undoubtedly mice packed it in. So I think our first thing is we'll take the shroud off. I'm not going to take the hood off yet, although it looks like I could take off maybe 2 bolts and drop the whole front end out. But let's see, I've got a bolt, a stud here, probably a couple in front, and I'll get that shroud off. We'll see what's under there. Alright, let's see here. Three-eighths. Says power built Briggs & Stratton engine, 12.5 horsepower. Yeah, bought a much bigger zero-turn mower about 3 years earlier, he said. Not sure why. Yeah, there was a pretty good nest in there. See if they chewed the spark plug wire and the coil wire. It turns a little. So the flywheel does turn a little. So it's not at the coil. Oh, there we go. It's in gear, the blades are. It feels like it. Let's see if there's a... To engage parking blade, press the clutch. There's a lever there that's supposed to take the thing out, or out of gear. Well, let's clean out this crap. My goodness. I think I'll get a vacuum cleaner. I gotta do some more than that. But I'm just curious. I think I'll put a little oil down the spark plug hole, maybe. Give it a little chance to I can't get at it. It's right out in front. I really should take this off, shouldn't I? Gotta take off 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Put it back in the hole. And I have 2 down on the front on the end, which I'll get next. Well, I took the 2 bolts off down on the front. The coil wire isn't chewed. A lot of junk down in there yet. I was going to pull out the spark plug. Let's see. Get the spark plug out. Champion RJ19LM. Looks pretty rusted and dry. Needs a new one of those. At least probably won't hurt us. Now I was going to put a little oil in the cylinder. Got some penetrating oil. Let's see how it turns over. Squirting some oil out. I got the oil thing out. So when I turn it, it's pushing oil out of the oil hole. Put a little bit of penetrating oil where the coil rubs and on the starter area. A little stiff, all right. Right here, the oil comes out when I turn it. I think I should get the air hose and blow it out too. Got a battery in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like 5 years old battery. Might actually take a charge. I'll try it. Well, I put in another old battery and see if it'll turn over. Okay, brake down, seat down. Shooting oil up out of the oil tube, that's okay. Turns over okay. Plug isn't hooked in. Should we see if there's some spark at the plug level? No gas hooked up. This plug needs a little bit of cleaning. Well, to keep it from shooting oil around, I'm just gonna put something in there to plug it. Then I'm gonna check that later. Turns over good. I think there's some hope for getting it going. Well, out of curiosity, I'm going to shoot some starting fluid into the cylinder, and I'm going to stick the spark plug into it, because even though I didn't see it spark, who knows, it maybe is. What's the chances of it putting? So all I got to do is clean it on out and put in the gas line. Gas line is broken off. And maybe have it running. Amazing. Well, encouraging, isn't it?